OpenAI, the trailblazer in artificial intelligence, is poised to make a bold move that could shake up the tech world, its own web browser. With the rise of ChatGPT and SearchGPT, OpenAI's next step may challenge Google's long-standing dominance in search and web browsing. But is OpenAI ready to take on the search giant? Let's explore the latest developments that could redefine the future of browsing. OpenAI has emerged as a leading player in the AI space, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology through innovations like ChatGPT. As AI continues to evolve, OpenAI is now setting its sights on an even more ambitious goal: launching a web browser. Reports suggest that OpenAI is developing a browser to complement its powerful AI tools, including SearchGPT, which promises to enhance the way we search and access information online. If successful, this move could directly challenge Google's dominance in both search engines and browsers. The potential for a seamless, AI-powered browsing experience could change how we interact with the internet, shifting the competitive landscape of tech giants. As OpenAI continues to make headlines with its groundbreaking advancements in AI, rumors of a web browser from the company have started to surface, stirring excitement and curiosity across the tech world. While the details remain limited, various reports and leaks have shed some light on what this new browser might look like, and how it will integrate with OpenAI's existing products like ChatGPT. The project is still in the early stages of development, but several prototypes and discussions have hinted at some key features. The browser, tentatively called NLWeb, short for Natural Language Web, may serve as a bridge between the AI-driven capabilities of ChatGPT and the everyday internet experience. This integration promises to offer users an entirely new way to interact with the web, blending traditional browsing with powerful AI features. Early reports indicate that NLWeb will leverage the same technology powering ChatGPT, giving users a highly intuitive, natural language-driven interface that could streamline searching, content discovery, and more. One of the most intriguing aspects of the rumors surrounding NLWeb is its potential integration with SearchGPT, OpenAI's advanced search engine. This could mean that users could simply ask their browser questions in natural language and receive responses powered by ChatGPT's vast database of knowledge. Unlike traditional search engines, which rely on keyword-based queries, NLWeb could create a more conversational, context-aware browsing experience. Additionally, some leaked prototypes show that the browser could incorporate features such as real-time web scraping, automatic summarization of articles, and personalized recommendations based on the user's browsing history and preferences. If true, this would make NLWeb more than just a browsing tool. It could evolve into a smart assistant that helps you navigate and interact with the web in ways never before possible. While it's clear that OpenAI's web browser is still in its infancy, the possibility of it disrupting the web browsing market is growing. If OpenAI can successfully combine its AI prowess with a smooth, user-friendly browsing experience, it could challenge the dominance of established browsers like Chrome and Safari, while redefining how we search and explore the internet. OpenAI's strategic partnerships are becoming a crucial element in its broader plan to reshape the digital landscape, particularly in the realm of search technology. By collaborating with major companies like Eventbrite, Redfin, and Priceline, OpenAI is looking to extend its AI-driven capabilities to a wide range of industries. These partnerships not only enhance OpenAI's search products, but also open up new opportunities for applying its cutting-edge technologies across various sectors. At the core of these partnerships is OpenAI's search technology, which powers custom search experiences on partner websites. Through integrations with platforms like Eventbrite, Redfin, and Priceline, OpenAI's AI tools help users find more relevant information with ease. For example, Eventbrite, a platform known for ticketing and event discovery, can leverage OpenAI's AI-driven search capabilities to offer users personalized event recommendations. Rather than relying solely on traditional keyword searches, users could interact with the platform through natural language queries, receiving results that are tailored to their preferences and past activities. Similarly, Redfin, a leader in the real estate market, is tapping into OpenAI's technology to refine its search experience for potential homebuyers and renters. With the ability to process and understand complex queries, OpenAI's AI models could help Redfin users find properties that meet their unique needs more efficiently. By incorporating AI's ability to understand context and intent, Redfin could offer a more intelligent way of browsing listings, filtering by highly specific criteria, and answering user questions about properties without the need for clunky search filters. The collaboration with Priceline, a travel and booking platform, introduces another exciting dimension to OpenAI's partnership strategy. By enhancing Priceline's search functions with AI-driven tools, OpenAI is enabling users to ask complex travel-related questions and receive highly accurate, context-aware answers. Whether a user is looking for the best flights, hotels, or car rentals, Priceline could leverage OpenAI's natural language processing to provide results that are tailored to each individual's preferences, simplifying the travel planning process. These partnerships underscore OpenAI's larger strategy of integrating AI into the very fabric of search engines and user interactions across industries. By embedding its AI capabilities into widely used platforms, OpenAI is not just improving search results, it's redefining how users interact with websites and digital services, making them more personalized, intuitive, and intelligent. In doing so, OpenAI is creating a new wave of possibilities for businesses and users alike, positioning itself as a leader in the AI-driven search revolution. Google's search dominance, long unchallenged, is now facing significant pressure from a variety of angles. These challenges not only involve legal and regulatory scrutiny, but also the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, which has the potential to disrupt how people interact with search engines. As OpenAI continues to develop its products, including the rumored web browser, Google's position in the market could be fundamentally altered. One of the most immediate challenges comes from the U.S. Department of Justice, which has launched a high-profile antitrust case against Google, accusing the company of unfairly maintaining its search monopoly. The lawsuit claims that Google has used anti-competitive tactics, such as paying billions of dollars to be the default search engine on popular platforms like Apple's Safari and Mozilla Firefox, stifling competition. This legal battle could result in severe restrictions on Google's ability to secure exclusive partnerships and may force the company to alter its business practices significantly. Additionally, there is growing speculation around Google potentially being forced to sell off its Chrome browser due to concerns that its dominance in the browser market gives it an unfair advantage in the search industry. The integration of Chrome with Google Search has cemented Google's grip on the digital landscape, but if regulators deem this as an anti-competitive practice, it could lead to the unwinding of Google's browser empire. This would be a significant blow to Google, which relies heavily on Chrome to funnel traffic to its search engine. Amid these regulatory challenges, OpenAI's potential web browser could be the catalyst that shifts the balance in the search market. With OpenAI's AI-driven approach to search and browsing, the new browser could offer a more intuitive, personalized, and natural way of interacting with information. If OpenAI integrates its search technology with its web browser effectively, it could attract millions of users seeking more intelligent and flexible alternatives to traditional search engines like Google. In response to these mounting pressures, Google is not standing idle. The company has ramped up its efforts with Gemini, its own AI-driven chatbot, designed to compete directly with OpenAI's advancements. Gemini is built to integrate deeply with Google's search engine, offering conversational AI capabilities that allow users to interact more naturally with search results. However, as OpenAI's AI tools continue to evolve, Google must adapt quickly to maintain its leadership in the search space. The next few years will likely be a defining period in the battle for search dominance, as both OpenAI and Google push the boundaries of what AI can do for the user experience. As we've seen, Google is facing some serious challenges, from legal pressure to fierce competition in the AI space. OpenAI's potential web browser could really shake up the search market, but what does this mean for the future of online search and advertising? If you want to dive deeper into how AI is changing the game and stay ahead of the curve on tech trends, make sure to check out more of my videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll be covering the latest developments as they unfold. OpenAI's browser has the potential to transform the way users access information online, positioning itself as an AI-centric platform that integrates cutting-edge artificial intelligence with everyday browsing. Unlike traditional browsers, which primarily serve as gateways to websites, OpenAI's browser could offer personalized, context-aware features that adapt to user behavior and preferences. By integrating AI-powered tools, such as ChatGPT, it could enhance search results by providing more relevant conversational responses and recommendations. The AI integration could also offer intelligent summarization of web content, making it easier for users to digest complex articles or documents. With the ability to filter and prioritize information, the browser could eliminate the need for sifting through irrelevant results, creating a more streamlined and efficient browsing experience. Additionally, OpenAI's browser could leverage AI to anticipate user needs, suggesting relevant topics, articles, or even products in real time, revolutionizing the search and online navigation process. OpenAI's plans to develop an AI-powered browser signify a potential paradigm shift in the tech industry, with far-reaching implications for search engines, web browsing, and online advertising. By integrating advanced AI technologies like ChatGPT into its browser, OpenAI could challenge the current dominance of Google, offering users a more personalized, efficient, and intelligent way to search and browse the web. This move may not only disrupt traditional search engine models, but also reshape how businesses approach online advertising, focusing on AI-driven contextual ads. Google, facing antitrust scrutiny and internal pressure, will likely respond with its own innovations, such as further advancements to its AI-driven chatbot, Gemini, and possible browser enhancements. The competition in the browser market will intensify, pushing both OpenAI and Google to develop even more sophisticated technologies. The future of web browsing will likely be marked by greater AI integration, leading to smarter, more intuitive user experiences that could redefine the way we interact with the digital world.